The Creation Steps section in StoryCraft is where we outline our story. To get a clear understanding of story structure, be sure to read the documentation for this section and the information given with every act and step. At the top of the window, we see the concept that we wrote earlier in the category and plot section. Having this in front of us while working on the outline will keep us focused on the basic story idea. Choose the plot type that reflects the story. For A Christmas Carol, we choose the internal transformation plot type from the character category. Every plot type has its own specific step descriptions. Changing to another plot type will change these descriptions. If you are working on a screenplay, there's an option to enter the movie's length in minutes. Let's say that the movie's duration is 120 minutes. StoryCraft will calculate the amount of minutes or pages that a specific story step should take to keep all the steps in a correct proportional balance. To hide the number fields, enter 0. In the lower part of the window, we enter the 12 story steps. The first tab in every act gives information about this act and shows the story's plot, which we entered in the category and plot section. Study the information, then fill in the Act 1 summary field. Let's continue with the steps. Every step is divided in a step logline, a step summary field, and the step beats field. Start by reading the help info and the examples for the step you are going to fill in. You can click the button for a quick glance, or to keep the window open while writing, click on the little arrow. Using the help info as a guide, let's fill in the Step 1 summary field. As explained in the essay about acts, scenes, and beats, the steps in Act 1 and 3 have about 17 beats each, while the steps in Act 2 have 34 beats. Using the Step 1 summary as a guide, enter the beats. StoryCraft will keep track of the number of beats. To see a quick reminder of this act's summary, click this button.